Welcome back to the channel. But guys, today we're gonna do the blind deaf mute and no hands challenge. I just came back from orientation at 12. I was home for 30 minutes trying to call my dad or something, and then he was ignoring me. And then when Conjo came, he called me and he was like, oh, I just saw all your missed calls. LOL.
I'll be blind. You know what? You're already blind now. Oh, munch.
What am I gonna do? Mute?
Mute. You're not gonna be able to use your hand. Okay. Conjo's deaf.
Deaf.
No.
You said deaf.
It's fine. But I can use my, the other parts of my body, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
So
better not use your fucking
You
feet.
can
Though.
crack the egg with your feet.
Okay, let's move your eyes. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's start. You know, here.
She just pulled a dance move. Okay, do it again.
You know, right here. You open it and get a bowl.
Oh.
Conjure.
I was gonna tell you to take.
Okay, now we're recording. We put half a cup of vegetable oil. It wasn't recording for a past couple minutes, but it's okay. We put the thingy on the sheet. Oh yeah, okay, gotcha. And then Brenda's washing her hands right now.
Okay, we got everything. Can you turn off the
Okay.
faucet?
I think Atoa should do it.
How? Yeah, how? With my mouth? Okay.
I want Brenda to crack the eggs.
Brenda. Okay, here's the towel. Thank you.
Oh, do we preheat the oven? Oh, we didn't even preheat it. Brenda, pour this in the bowl. Pour it straight down.
straight
Take
down.
your
Hold
hand
the
out.
bowl,
Take your
hold
hand
the
out.
bowl.
Take your hand out. Take your bowl.
The bowl is cold. Held.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Yay.
All of it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't know if it's
Perfect, Brenda, perfect.
bit more. Oh. Ooh, it smells delicious, you guys.
Ooh. Now, Brenda, you want to crack the eggs? If you
No,
respond to me, I
actually-
don't know what you're saying. So you're going to have to tell Maria. Okay.
I'm sorry if I put seashells in the eggshells.
Do you need something? Like this?
No.
Why did you need sesame oil?
No, it's not down here.
Did you knock it over?
Can you get the white?
Okay, how about you don't touch it with your foot because I want to put this in your brownie bag.
I don't know where to put this. Here?
No, your whole toe grazes, by the way, so. Whoa.
Ooh.
Wow!
Yay!
Brenda, grab it. Come on.
I grabbed it. Oh, is this a mixer?
Yes.
What do I do? I already went like that. Oh, it's oil! Oh!
Why are you
Mix it
laughing?
all together. Oh, please.
Oh.
Thank you. I can try mixing.
Oh. With her mouth?
Huh?
I'll spin it. You. Go! What are you doing?
I hoisted up my toe, bro.
Oh, Brenda, you want to mix?
Oh.
No.
I got you.
Do you want to hold the bowl or do you want to mix?
I'll hold the bowl. You just.
I don't know what you're saying.
I
You're
will.
grabbing the. Okay.
Yes, go. Oh, okay. Yes, boys.
I'm gonna try doing it with my mouth. Okay. No, I can't. I feel like I'm gonna drool from the smell. You.
Let's be sanitary, bro.
No. Am I in a timeout corner?
Who's
I
saying?
didn't drool in it. I'm just saying hypothetically.
Yes, Brenda.
Okay.
This is stiff, bro. I need someone to hold the bowl.
I can't hold.
Oh, I got you. Ready?
In my space, I won't let go of you.
Is it done?
Talk into here, yes.
Maria.
Talk into here.
I need you to, take the parchment paper.
What's going on?
Fold it, cut out a circle and then cut out a rectangle. Huh? slower. I do it. Oh, rotate or roll. It's okay. Okay, you're gonna be blind. What do you want to be?
I'll do no hands.
Okay.
Who wants to be
I'll be deaf.
deaf?
I'll be
Okay.
silent.
Oh, where's my waffle?
I need my glasses.
Oh, she needs her glasses. I forgot. She's blind and deaf. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, she's pulling out the camera on us.
What are you supposed to be?
No hands.
What are you supposed to be?
No hands.
Oh, then why did you give me my glasses then?
I did it. I told
Oh,
you.
blocked. Oh, never mind.
God, she's blind and deaf. Oh my god. You can't even see. You can't even see who grabbed the glasses for her, by the way.
Are you?
So I thought, you know.
Oh.
We could do brownie cupcakes.
We're putting it here?
Brownie cupcakes.
I like the
Oh.
sound of that.
Both of them.
Oh, wait.
Both.
Both?
Yes.
So how can I
Brownie
help
cups. Like Target brownie
you? Oh, shit.
in here.
You have to
Target.
move me.
Me put that
No.
Oh. You say you can help me. You say eat your waffle.
What? Pour that into there. Wait, Maria. Okay, Maria. Over here. There's the. No, move to your left.
Should we just pour the whole thing?
No, we're making the brownies, Brenda. I think we should put enough to cover the bottom. Is that covering the bottom? Yeah, that's good. Okay, now like push it down a little.
Who keeps stopping the video?
Rotate.
I guess I'll be deaf.
Oh, then I'll be mute.
Okay, can I just close my eyes? I don't want to ruin my eye makeup.
Deaf
I'll just be
or-
blind. I'll just close my
Okay,
eyes. Like everyone just
Okay,
believe it.
and then I'll be mute.
I mean no hands.
Could I have my water bottle
Yeah.
in my hand? Wow. This is...
Okay, let's place it in. First, it
Wait,
would be-
use an oven mitt.
Oh, I was gonna use my hand.
Mm.
Brenda, you're not mute. You can. Oh shit! I just realized I can't talk.
Use this
Can we
and this.
be each other's company?
Yay!
You put it on the top one or the bottom?
The top one.
How long? How much?
Well, just set a phone timer.
Yeah, but how much?
I don't know. Look at the box.
Oh.
I can't see. I want to need some of the batter. I just want to like.
You got some.
Ooh.
We see.
Oh my god, my mouth.
What is this? Oh, is it conjure?
Can I touch with the money never lie?
You're Brenda.
I'm the
I
one.
hear you. And then
I'm
Maria's
the one. Early morning in the dark, you know you wanna ride.
Ow.
I'm the one, yeah. Yeah, this is about the imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya.
Do you want to watch the
Oh,
plate? The bowl?
Movie? Oh, well.
Wash. Wash this?
Oh, you guys want me to do this shit?
Huh? What fix what?
Eye on you.
What?
Oh.
Okay, I will talk. I will communicate for you.
Why stop?
The music?
Now tell me.
Wow.
The muffins? Yeah. Oh, we need to take them out 15 minutes?
Yeah.
A shorter time than 15 minutes?
That's what she said? Oh, you want me to tell her that we should take the muffins out in 15 minutes?
Okay, that's good.
Earlier than 15 minutes.
Oh, before 15.
Oh.
Oh, should we?
Oh, wait.
Twice what is she doing?
That's so hot. What are you doing?
What are you
bro?
trying to do?
I'm getting the light on so you guys can
I don't
see.
know what she's saying.
Here. Is the light on here?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see a little bit better. But what does the box say?
8
Can
by
you
8
play cat's eye?
is 49 by 52 minutes.
52 minutes.
Can someone play cat's eye, bro?
Hands up.
Ow, my hand.
Gabriella, hands up. Gabriella. Wait.
I'm not that short, bro.
Bubble tea. Tesla. Fried chicken.
Wait, what are you doing? My hands? Shit, you can't even put the music on.
Oh my god, this is so rare. God, this is so late. Congratulations. Now you be like, gang. Gang.
No, I hate.
Only 5 minutes has passed.
We'll ask Conjure.
Only 10 minutes have passed.
watched a movie.
Oh yeah.
Wait, do you have ice cream?
Yeah, this one.
We should go downstairs and get ice cream.
I think you should turn down the heat from the
Turn down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Should we go right now?
Yes, let's go get right now. While they keep watching, bro.
Yeah, you guys, we're gonna go get ice cream.
Okay.
You guys can keep watching it though because
How are you
this is
guys
for
gonna
you.
get-
Then I come back 5 years later, and now
Let me stop
I know
playing games.
nothing.
This is the spiciest
No
one.
intel.
Okay, let's eat this.
Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers.
Nice and rich.
How do you say delicious in Chinese or Mandarin? That's just wrong. Try by itself first.
What do we got for flavor? Is there a little hint of coconut? That's so good.